Alrighty, Jared, here's 427 small block Ford. To give description of this conversation. It's got a set of our CNC heads on it. Got some ground hydraulic rollers. Got the rear sump pan on it you wanted. All blacked out. You sent in the Hi-Ram and everything. Innovators West Stampner. Go in there and make a run. See what she does. Stay tuned. Okie doke, 3,600, 470 foot-pounds torque. Peak's torque 534. Peak's horsepower 585, rate of 575, so everything's good. What we'll do now is pull pipes back, make sure exhaust's good and clean for you, show you a couple other things. Receive your engine, you find this thing with credit cards, USB card, full of technical information, engine build specs, tech stuff, highly recommend watch it. On the engine will be this tag. It'll have your engine number, some other specs. Need anything from us, that engine number is the easiest way to look it up. Flip it over, it's got a QR code. That'll take you to our site, some more tech stuff. So recommend watch all this. Have a great day.